Namaste, my dear children. Today, story writing. In your class 9, you will be asked to write story writing. So a story. What is a story? A story is a work of imagination. Here you see. It is a work of imagination or the thing. It is or it is a brainchild. Understood? A story is a work of imagination or it is a brainchild. So, what are the things? A story is a presentation. A story is a presentation of coherent event. Events. Here you see. This is your story. A story is a work of imagination, or it may be called a brainchild, or it may be called a brain child. Here in a story, it is a presentation of coherent event, the event that you want to relate. Coherent event in which character act and react. In which character act and react. Here you see. You may say that a story is a presentation. A story is a presentation of coherent event where character acts and reacts. Where the character acts and reacts. So this is the story. A story is a work of imagination, or it may be called, or it may be called brainchild. It may be called brainchild. So a story is a work of imagination, or it may be called brainchild. When you are writing a story, what you want to write? You want to present coherent event and their character, how they act and how they react. So this is the story. Now come to the how to write a story. Here we will see how you to write a story. How to write a story. How to write a story. कैसे लिखना है? सबसे पहले, what are the ideas that you should keep in mind? A story writer should as a story writer, idea. A writer should be handful handful of ideas. Here you see, unless you don't have any idea, you cannot write any story. You should have handful of idea about the people, about the person, about the thing that you want to describe. So dear children, when you start your writing a story, you should have handful of ideas. If you are having handful of ideas and handful idea, you should know about the people, place or thing, so that you could easily explain it. You see, if you are having handful of idea about the people, person and place, you can easily start writing a story. Understood? So this is how to write a story. Now come to the paragraphs. Now come to the first paragraph. What will be the first paragraph of the story? So first of all, format. Come to the format. Come to the format of the story. Format of the story. How to write? As a writer, you should have handful of ideas about the people, place and thing, so that you can easily explain about it. Understood? Now the format. Now come to the format. Format of a story. Now come to the format of the story. Format. Format of a story. What are the format of the story? First of all, beginning. First of all, that is title. The title may be given or may not be given. If in your question it is asked that give a suitable title, you may give it. If it is not given, you are not required to give the title. But as so far as the stories are concerned, all the stories have a title. So it is better you write title. Then, but the title of the story will be written at the end of the story. What kind of a story? It should be short, and attractive. Your title should be short and attractive. You select a very short and attractive topic so that you could easily explain. Okay? So this is what short and attractive. Then the number 2, that is writer's name. Who is the writing? By liners. Or writer's name. writer's name will be there. You are required to write writer's name, that is byliner. Then come to the beginning or introduction. You will write beginning or introduction. In introduction of the story, what you will write? You will introduce the character. You will introduce the character. Then you will introduce the event. In a story, you have to introduce the character because your story should have a character. It may be solo character or more than 2 characters. It may have character or solo character or 2 to 3 characters, not more than 2 to 3 characters. 2 to 3 characters. 2 से 3 characters से ज़्यादा नहीं करना. Then you describe the event. The event, that is action, or that is the place. Here you sir, in a story you should have the action, place, where the action is taking place, then elaborating the event. First of all, you should have character. Then what are the action? That is the place. Then what? Time. What time the action is taking place. So these things is to be kept in your mind, or these things are to be kept in your mind before you start writing a story. Here you see. Now, right, first of all, that is introduction. Here I am, introduction. After the introduction, what you will write? Middle of the story. In the introduction of the character, you will introduce the character, the action, the place and the time. Action, or you will event. You will talk about the character, you will talk about the event, and you will talk about the place where the event is taking place, and you will also talk about the time of the event, when that action or the event has taken place. In this way, you will be able to write a proper story. Now, come to the middle of the story. Now come to the middle of the story. Now come to the middle of the story. Come to the middle of the story. Middle. Middle of the story. What will be in the middle of the story? The event and the character who do the event move forward. In the middle of the story, you will develop. You will develop in the middle of the story, development of the story. Development of the story. How? What you will develop? You will develop the character. The character or the event. How the character and event move. You will develop how the character or event move forward. In your story, you will write that how the character and event will move forward. That will be the main body. In the main body, you will develop the story. The development of the story will have how to, please see. So please see, in the development of the story, you will see that how the character and event are moving forward, how it is moving forward. That is what you will write about the development of forward and doing something, doing something. That is the middle of the story. In the middle of the story, you will write that how the character or the event move forward and what they are doing. Now the conclusion. Now the conclusion. That is ending. That is the middle part. Now come to the ending. Ending of the story. How to end the story. How to end the story. Ending. Ending. How to end the story. Closing of the story. Here ending means closing of the story. Closing of the story. स्टोरी को क्लोज करना है बेटा. Closing with the event coming to an end. Coming to an end. Where you will see that how the event is coming to an end. Here you see, you will write that how the event is coming to the end. Understood? That is the ending. Coming to end and the character. Coming to the end and the character coming to the end, the characters are happy or satisfied. Happy or satisfied. So this is the way you will start writing your story. The very first thing, that is format. After writing the last thing, that you will give a very suitable title. You will give a very suitable title. Here you will write that how the closing of the story. At the end of the story, you will write about the closing of the story. How to close the story. In the closing of the story, you will write about the end of the event and how the character are happy or satisfied. So this is what the story is. Now, the format. Here you see the format. The very first thing that you will do, draw a line, a straight line at the left of the page. You will leave the place for title. At the end of the story, you will give a suitable title. And don't forget, then the title I am giving you. Suppose it is a student's welfare. A student's welfare. This is the topic. Then come to the by. You are writing a story. It is not necessary that you are always required to give the title. You simply develop the story, the point that is given to you. Suppose you are given a topic to develop a story based on what? The king, the foolish king, the kingdom of fool, or the foolish king. Foolish king. You have already read the story. Now start introduction. Once, very simple. The very simple way to start a writing. Once there was a king who is famous for his foolishness. His subjects, the king and the subjects were known for their foolishness. You may start, or suppose you start writing a story about so this is way you can start writing a story.